Hey tubers, Ghost Wolf 86 here at the river with the freighter AlgoCanada. So we're going to follow the AlgoCanada as she goes down the water. I apologize for the shaky video, but we're going to follow the AlgoCanada. Interesting fact about the AlgoCanada is she's a chemical oil products tanker. She carries oil, natural gas, and other chemicals. That's why under her pilot house it says no smoking, safety first. So we're going to follow the AlgoCanada. Another fun fact about this freighter is she's owned by the Algoma Steamship Corporation, based in Canada. Zoom in a little bit. About this again is I filmed this freighter crossing sides with the freighter Thunder Bay a while back.